Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Mbaliyezwe Ngiba, who plays Zodwa, is allegedly leaving the show. It has been reported that this actress is permanently leaving Umkhokha. A month ago, Mbaliyezwe was apparently caught on camera insulting security guards. She had a heated argument with the security officers at Hotel Sky in Sandton, Johannesburg. Is that the reason why she's leaving the show? Has she been fired? We won't even feel her absence, we never felt her presence anywhere. Akahambe, she's so rude in real life. As long as it's not Nomavu and Zamkolo, hashtag I love the couple. She's rude outside the show, Losisi. Oh, I fell in love with her character. So Umkhokha will be busy killing characters till when Mbaliyezwe uses his power to seize his Umkhokha. We are tired. At least Mamzoba will have her husband all to herself.